learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林執少 Joseph Lin right here along with Alice to teach you this month's phrase because it's the month of December. A lot of celebrations are going on, so we want to let you know how to say 你要怎麼慶祝 How are you celebrating?
愛用版慶祝。
愛用版慶祝 Again,愛 that means you are. How are you? 用版怎麼樣去慶祝慶祝 that means celebration. 所以這個慶祝的除了這些聖誕節啦這些節慶之外呢
有意義的紀念日
對對對紀念日怎麼說 An anniversary
紀念日
紀念日 OK 紀念 that means to remember something right and 日就是日子 that means a day. A remembering day is an anniversary 紀念日 OK 那這個如果不管是結婚週年紀念啊或者是男女朋友在一起啊紀念日啊也有可能嘛對不對比較年輕族群的可能會想要去跳舞
快樂對不對
Exactly Maybe you want to go dancing
跳舞
that means dancing or to go dance right
海陸腔跳舞叫做跳舞
okay slightly different and that will be a different dialect for saying dancing or for those who like to do something a little bit more quiet 有些人可能没有那么动感是比較文靜派文青派的可能就不會去跳舞了
那就去按摩摸的地方
幹嘛按摩
看電影
按摩摸的按摩看電影啦對啦你也知道我是要講看電影
對啊
Maybe you want to go just watch a movie How do you say go watch a movie 看電影
看天陽
看天陽天陽 is a movie and 看 means to watch Alright 其實我比較想要去跳舞呢
真的
Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases We're gonna go dance 我們要去跳舞
愛到愛去跳舞
愛到 that means us we 愛去 are going to 跳舞 Yay Hope you enjoy it Let's review these terms Okay 我們來蕊一下紀念日 Anniversary day
紀念日
And then dance 跳舞 And go see a movie Watch a movie 看電影
看天陽
And it's all about how are you celebrating your anniversary 你要怎麼慶祝呢
愛用版慶祝
愛用版慶祝 There you go Another great edition of our Practical Hakka here in ICRT
什麼大家
俺子say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.